All right, hi everybody. We're working through the trigonometry review. In this question here, we're trying to find the derivatives of these expressions here. And most of them are going to require the implicit differentiation here. So I got to try to fit this in really nicely into the limited amount of space that I got here. But here we go. X sine y, well, the derivative of x is going to be 1, so sine y, plus x times the derivative of sine y is going to end up being cos y, and then I multiply by the derivative of what's inside, so y primed. Okay, now I'm going to move on to the next term here, which is cosine. The derivative of cosine will be negative sine of 2y, okay, times 2 times y prime. So that 2y is within the sine function, but that 2 is going to be multiplied outside, and then the y primed again is outside. On the other side, this is going to end up being negative sine y, y primed. Now I got all sorts of terms here with the y primed in it. I'm going to maybe bring those all over to the right-hand side. So this will be the sine of y is equal to, and I'll factor out the y primed, and that is going to end up being, and I'm going to change the order of the terms here. I'm going to grab this first one because it's going to be the one that's positive here. This will end up being 2 sine of 2y minus x cosine of y minus the sine of y. I mean, that was the sine of y was on the other side there. And now if I divide that all into this expression here, I will get the sine of y all over 2 sine 2y minus x cos y minus the sine of y is equal to y primed. And actually there's really not much I think you can do with that. Just thinking about the identities here, this would end up being 2 sine y cos y, and yeah, I can factor part out of like these two, part of those two, but nothing altogether. So that's really about as far as I think that can go.